Good morning, dear children. Welcome to our chemistry class. We were discussing the chapter Air Around Us. Now you all know that air has different components. Which are they? Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor and some other gases. Now you all know the importance of nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Before moving on to the next component, let's recap an experiment that we have learned in the last chapter. Take a glass tumbler, add some ice cubes into it, keep it outside, observe. After some time, what did you observe? Yes, we can see water droplets around the glass. Why do we observe water droplets? We have already learned that when the air touches the cold surface, the water droplets are formed by the process of condensation. This experiment not only helps to understand the process of condensation but also proves that air contains water vapor. Yes, one of the components of air is water vapor. How does the water vapor reaches air? We have already learned that water vapor reaches air by the process of evaporation and transpiration. Water gets evaporated from different water bodies like rivers, oceans, etc. Also, water gets evaporated from wet cloths, wet road, wet soil, etc. Water vapor also reaches the air by the process of transpiration from plants. Is water vapor in the air important? The water vapor in the air is important for the water cycle to take place. And water cycle helps to maintain the amount of water on earth. Is there any other component in air? There are certain gases also in air like argon, helium, neon, etc. These gases normally does not react with other substances and exist in free state. These gases are called as inert gases. Is there any harmful component in air? Yes, there are harmful components also. Which are they? They are smoke, dust and germs. Let's see how these components are reaching the air.
We have understood that air contains many gases like oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. Air also contains other things. Look at the vehicles moving on the road. You can see a motorbike, a car, and a bus moving on the road. You can see the exhausted smoke from the vehicles.
The exhausted smokes are mixing in the air.
Look at the industries and factories. You can also see the smoke coming out of the chimneys. This smoke also mixes with the air.
Firewood also produces smoke. An oven also produces smoke. The smoke also mixes in the air.
So, moving vehicles, industries, firewood, and an oven all produce smoke. And this smoke mixes in the air and makes the air impure. Impure air is not good for our health.
So, along with gases, air also contains smoke.
The air contains not only smoke, but also dust in it. Can you see the dust in your room?
Generally, you don't.
But let me tell you how you can see dust in the air. First, make your room dark by closing all the windows and doors. Now, this is a flashlight. It can give light with the help of batteries. Let us turn on this flashlight in the dark room. Now, let us observe the part of light in the room.
In the light, we can see many tiny particles. These tiny particles are called dust.
So, the air also contains dust. Dust also makes air impure. Moving vehicles on the road mix dust in the air. While sweeping the floor or a road, the dust also mixes in the air. The moving air can also mix dust in the atmosphere.
So, atmospheric air contains many gases, smoke, and dust.
Atmospheric air also contains germs. Now, germs are very, very small living creatures. We cannot see them with our naked eyes. When a sick person coughs, the germs mix in the air. When you sneeze, the germs also mix in the air.
A dirty surrounding also produces germs, and the germs mix in the air.
If the germs get inside our bodies, then we will become ill. So, germs are harmful to us.
So, the air contains gases, smoke, dust, and germs.
Now, you all know that there is dust particles and smog in the air. Is the amount of dust particles same in all places? No. It varies from place to place. So, in today's session, we have learned about the presence of water vapor and dust particles in the air. Thank you.